Tonight, we're making another beloved Italian pasta entree, spaghetti carbonara. The origins of this flavorful dish are not entirely clear, although it's believed to have been popularized right after the Second World War when American soldiers stationed in Italy were introduced to the dish. The traditional recipe includes spaghetti, bacon, eggs, and Parmesan cheese. In an effort to make this keto-friendly, we'll substitute regular pasta with Shirataki spaghetti. Shirataki spaghetti is made from the root of the konjac plant, which contains a soluble fiber called gluconamine. So if you're sad because you had to give up Italian food to lose weight, then you'll love our spaghetti carbonara recipe. It's only 5 grams of net carbs, so it's perfect for anyone on the keto diet. We're making a low-carb, keto-friendly spaghetti carbonara in the kitchen tonight. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Tonight, we're making a low-carb, keto-friendly spaghetti carbonara. This classic Italian recipe is made with Shirataki spaghetti, bacon, eggs, and Parmesan cheese. The flavor in this rich and creamy dish is savory and delicious. Here's what you'll need to make this amazing dinner for two. 4 whole eggs, 4 ounces of freshly grated Parmesan Reggiano cheese, 4 ounces of freshly grated aged white cheddar cheese, 4 ounces of bacon sliced and diced, 1 package of Shirataki spaghetti, a pinch of kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper, and a teaspoon of chicken base. Our first step is to make the egg cream. In a glass bowl, mix the eggs with 3 ounces of the Parmesan cheese and 3 ounces of the cheddar cheese. Mix everything together thoroughly and set the bowl aside. Next, we'll get our bacon ready. In a pan on low heat, cook the sliced and diced bacon. And we had some leftover sliced mushrooms, so we'll add a few ounces of them here. This is an optional item and not part of the traditional recipe, but it actually goes well with the dish. When the bacon is cooked, it's time to get the spaghetti ready. Add a cup of water to a small pot and add in a teaspoon of the chicken base. Then cook the spaghetti. Shirataki spaghetti only takes a few minutes to heat up. Transfer the spaghetti to the pan and turn off the heat. Put a few pieces of the bacon into a small bowl. We'll use them as a garnish in a bit. Add in the eggs and the cheese mixture. Mix thoroughly so that it doesn't turn to scrambled eggs, and then add salt and pepper. One note here, Shirataki noodles stick together. Unlike regular pasta that separates easily, the Shirataki noodles clump together. On the plus side, Shirataki spaghetti is only 20 calories and contains 5 grams of carbs compared to 45 grams of carbs for regular pasta, so there is a bit of a trade-off here. And now it's time to plate our dish. And there it is! Low-carb, keto-friendly spaghetti carbonara. Shirataki spaghetti with bacon, eggs, and Parmesan cheese. This savory recipe is filling and only 5 grams of carbs per serving. Perfect for anyone on the keto diet. It was delicious! Until next time, bon appetit!